All right, you want to have great conversations with your customers and clients and your leads. You want them to reach out to you. One of the best ways to do that is to have a chat widget on your website. Traditionally, that's really hard to do, but with Personify, it's not a big deal. And I wanted to, in this video, not necessarily give you all the details of how to do the thing, but I want to give you a quick overview of what can be done. And then hopefully you have enough information to install that yourself, or you can reach out to our support team for help. Okay, so I am in the Personify account, and I went to, here, let's do this. Went to web, and then chat widget down here at the bottom, and it brought up this thing. Now, I should tell you, we already have a chat widget on our Personify website, so it's already up and running. But I'm going to create a new one. We won't save it, but I'll create a new one so that you can see how to do this. Just a quick review. A chat widget is a little thing that sits down in the corner and lets people click on it and ask a question or try to interact with your company somehow. Now with Personify, we use AI to help with that conversation, and it's kind of surprising how many people use it. It's not every single visitor, but we do get a significant number of contacts that come in asking us questions about the software or certain features, things like that. Okay, so for your business, you'll have your account up, you'll go here, you'll click new, and then we have different options. So SMS email chat would be something that somebody could open up that bubble, send a message, and it gets sent based on your preference to your phone via text message, or as an email it gets sent out. The other option is live chat, and that would directly interface with you. You could talk back and forth, or you could do like Personify does and set up a chat bot that helps them figure things out. The last one is WhatsApp. If you're using WhatsApp, you can connect with that and it'll message right back and forth through that. Today, we're going to try the live chat setting. And so you're going to have this here. This is an example of the chat widget. You've got all these different things you can set. There we go. Widget, where do you want it on your website? Do you want it top left, bottom left, to the right? Most people put it on the bottom right. That's just kind of a standard thing, but it doesn't have to be that way. Avatar image, that's the little picture. You can add your own image, or you can go with the one that's provided, just kind of a stock photo, or you can just completely remove it. And then you have all these different options for how you want it to communicate. So what is the welcome message? If somebody comes back to your website, what is the custom greeting? If you want to have that custom greeting, you can change. I mean, there's just a lot of neat little things you can change, right? You can change how the chat window looks, and you can change like, if they don't respond in a certain amount of time, do you close the window down? Just all sorts of really cool things here. So you've got these options here. Oh gosh, you can, yeah, even language stuff you can work on. So many things. The important thing here is that when you create a new chat widget, you've got these options on the left-hand side, and you can go through one by one and customize it as much as you want. That includes colors. I didn't even touch on that, but you can change all the colors to match your website. So when you are done customizing, you can click Save, and then to embed it on your website, you have a number of different options. You can get the code. So this is something you would copy and paste into like the header of your website, and that would force the chat widget to load when somebody pulls up your website. So you can do that. You can also, if you're using WordPress, we have a plugin that you can install onto your WordPress site. You'll just need the API code. And oh golly, why is that not loading? There it is. There it is. So you can download and install the plugin. And then if you are using a Personify website, it's just a matter of turning on the option inside of the website. Not that hard to do. Now, before I go, I do want to touch on chat AI or conversational AI. If you want to have that as an option, you can go over to settings and then you can go over to conversation AI right here, and you can turn on autopilot, and then you can decide where you want that conversation AI to function, right? If you choose chat widget right here, the AI will know to watch that and have a conversation with anybody who reaches out. So for Personify, we have it set so that the conversational AI will talk to them, gather information, and then point them to a solution or to an opportunity to schedule a phone call or a Zoom call. And then if it doesn't know what to do, it'll refer to a human being that we pointed to and say, oh yeah, this person can help you out. It's pretty cool. It saves us a ton of time and makes the website friendlier and more inviting, and makes the whole system a lot more responsive to when we get requests. Okay, so that's a really quick overview of the chat widget for your website. Jump in, give it a try. Of course, we always have the chat option here. If you have any questions, run into any problems, whether it's a web chat widget or something completely different, just click that button. You can get set up with a Zoom call, a chat. We can schedule something out for you, and they can help you solve whatever issues you might be having.